It's all painted up. Just got it finished. I used one entire can, not too bad. All right, I found the paint. I'm gonna go with this satin lemongrass. I know it's not the perfect paint for it, but it's also not gonna be a perfect car, so let's get 6 of those, throw them in the cart, and go from there. We got 6 of those, 36 bucks before tax. Let's do it. It's all painted up. I used one entire can, not too bad, of this lemongrass satin. I was using this just cheap sunflower one, same with these paints, but it was a little bit too bright for my liking, so this might not do it justice, but it is supposed to be a nice satin, kind of light yellow color. We'll see how it turns out. This is not the final iteration. I definitely want to put a little bit of a sand on it eventually and clear coat it afterwards. Just try to get something that looks kind of nice and not too rustic, not too rusty or patinaed. Just something that looks kind of nice, because I know that there will be some wear and tear on this. So I think what I'll do is when I get a big gouge that scratches up repeatedly, I'll just go ahead and sand it back a tiny bit and then throw some clear coat over it, and eventually it'll have a nice patina to it all on its own. So stay tuned.
Over here. Sit. There you go. Good boy. That's such a good boy. Love you, bud. Yes. awesome. Good boy.
All right, Riley, it's the end of the video. What do you think about the project so far? Looks pretty good. Looks like he approves. So for Riley's sake, if you don't mind liking, subscribing, commenting, all those things, thank you so much for watching, and come back for more Riley content. I mean, K-Truck content.